Could this keyboard be the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality? It certainly looks the part, with its punk-style round keycaps that immediately bring to mind classic typewriters. But don't let the retro aesthetic fool you. This Ciciglow 83-key mechanical keyboard is packed with features for today's tech user. Underneath those cool round keycaps are blue mechanical switches, which offer that satisfyingly crisp click and responsive feel that gamers and typists alike will appreciate. The ergonomic design is a nice touch, aiming for comfort during those long typing sessions. What really sets this keyboard apart, though, are the dual knobs. One controls volume, the other brightness, and there's a lever to cycle through the backlight modes. It's a really intuitive way to manage these settings without fumbling for function keys. Compatibility is a big win here. It's designed to work with pretty much everything: Android, Windows 10, iOS, and OS X laptops. This makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're connecting it to your phone, a tablet, or your main computer. The triple-mode connectivity is also a huge plus. You can go wired with the included USB-C cable, or connect wirelessly via Bluetooth. This flexibility is fantastic for anyone who juggles multiple devices. The build quality feels solid, with a metal and plastic construction. It's not just about looks, it's built to last. The 83-key layout is compact, which is great for saving desk space, but it still manages to include all the essential keys. The battery life is also impressive, with a 2000 mAh lithium battery that should keep you going for a good while, especially with the auto sleep function to conserve power. Typing on this keyboard is a genuine pleasure. The round keycaps feel great under the fingers, and the mechanical switches provide excellent tactile feedback. While it's marketed as a gaming keyboard, its retro charm and comfortable typing experience make it a fantastic choice for general productivity and creative work too. The full key rollover in wired mode ensures no keystrokes are missed during intense gaming sessions, and the 6-key rollover in Bluetooth mode is perfectly adequate for most everyday tasks. Overall, the Ciciglow electric typewriter keyboard is a surprisingly capable and stylish piece of hardware. It successfully marries a unique vintage aesthetic with modern features and solid performance. If you're looking for a keyboard that stands out from the crowd and offers a great typing experience across multiple devices, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.